Hey everybody, it's Patrick here with the mortgage firm Tampa, and today I have a super incredibly special, not a guest, but someone here with me today. It's Jennifer Miller, and Jennifer is very special to us here at the mortgage firm Tampa. When I was many years ago looking to expand my business, one of the first teammates that came on board with me was Jennifer, and that was almost nine years ago, coming up soon. And since then, Jennifer has grown and blossomed like incredibly with us, and now she's worked her way through answering the phones to being an assistant to taking applications, faxing back when we used to fax, and now Jennifer is she's a processor, an LP2, which is a contract to close specialist, but she's in charge of all the other contract to close specialists. So she is the #1 person on the team. It's who you want to know. Okay, so Jennifer, you know how much I love you. You're amazing. I've known your family forever. But tell, what exactly do you do for us here? Can you tell us a little bit about the life of Jennifer?
Okay. Hi everyone. Contract to close specialist. That means that when there's a contract, the file's handed over to me. I process your files, see if there's anything additional that I need to get your loan into underwriting. That time, then I speak with you, go over what I may need to get it into underwriting. The loan gets conditionally approved. At that time, go over conditions again with you. So there's sometimes back and forth, but I'm always working. It's very quick. I get back to you as soon as I can. Once we get a clear to close, we start working on your final figures so you can wire your funds into the title company. Go over that with you. Patrick goes over that with you as well, and get you to the closing table. So it's a very quick process that we do. We're very exact with what we need. We try to just always get back to you as soon as possible, even after hours, on the weekends. That's one of the things we really pride ourselves on. So we're always constant communication and making you feel really good about the whole process. Helping you makes us feel good, and that's what we really strive for.
It's kind of the same thing every day that we do and that Jennifer does, but every situation is different.
It is,
okay, so every pay stub is different. Every bank statement is different. And Jennifer is just amazing at being able to figure these things out and make the file work, okay? And she's just really good at that. As far as like customer service, there is no one even better than myself that she takes care of our customers, our clients, you, and it's proven because we survey every single one of our clients. And Jennifer, every single month, gets the most reviews and 5s and 10s on all of our surveys. So it's amazing the job that you do. So let me ask you this: what's the most rewarding? What's something really rewarding that you love about what you do?
Helping people really makes me feel proud. Like, to get everyone into their home. I take pride just like you. You're constantly working, and because you love it, and I love it too. I really love helping clients. If I can help a client anytime, I can get back to them at 10 o'clock at night or on the weekends. I absolutely love that. That makes them happy. That makes them more comfortable. If we can do that for everyone, that's literally make them feel a little bit more relaxed. We're gonna do that. So that makes me feel happy.
And there's many times that I'm laying in bed and I thought I turned my phone off and I didn't. And then there's a ding ding or something ding ding. I look over and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I look at my phone and Jennifer's emailing a client, going over something. So she's right about that. She's always working. But that's what it takes, and it's made Jennifer help myself and help us help so many people get into home ownership. Get into a house, and it can be difficult at times. There's a lot of paperwork, a lot of guidelines, and things like that. So Jennifer, I love you so much. You know that. My family loves you. The team loves you. You're the glue that holds us all together. and we appreciate you so much. So I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of the life of Jennifer Miller. Everyone knows who Jennifer. So, but thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you for many more years. And if you have any questions for us, for Jennifer, please reach out to us. We'd love to answer any questions that you might have about home ownership. Thanks so much.